Hey nail peeps, welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. Today's going to be a short one because I just wanted to show you that I got a very small package from Maniology, and the only thing in it, and I know exactly what it is one singular polish. If you have seen some of my other stuff, you'll know that one of my subscription boxes came with two of this. This is the crisp color. I believe it was the October box. Came with two crisps. So what that means is that I was missing the color Cozy. And let's make sure, oh, this is so pretty. Yep, this is the color Cozy. So I want to say that this is probably less than 3 weeks, and I live overseas. I live in Germany, so this is less than 3 weeks that it took for me to get this stuff, which was absolutely amazing. Maniology has the absolute best customer service I have ever dealt with any company ever in my whole life. And I'm old, y'all. But I can absolutely say such wonderful, wonderful things about their customer service. They are top notch, second to none. So please, 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 if you ever have any problems with their stuff, please take it to them, and they will make it right. Promise you that. I'll do a quick swatch and let you see what this one looks like. This is the Cozy, and I believe it's from the October box subscription, October 2020. So, man, I love Maniology. Maniology, if you're listening, you guys are great. Okay, let me do a quick swatch. Okay, I'm not going to gawk today. I have been known to get the color on the stamp and then let it dry because I'm gawking at the color. Not going to do that today. We're going to go straight for it and put it on there. So, oh, this is a really pretty. Oh, yes. So it's like a bronzy gold color. Very nice. In fact, oh, it would have been really nice with my current fall manicure. So these are great fall colors, so no wonder they had it in that October 2020 box. Maniology, thank you for being awesome. Thank you for being amazing. There's the color Cozy, everyone. So if you are interested in a little Maniology love, you guys know that you can use my code GrooveMama to get 10% off of your order. Just go to maniology.com, load up, and get 10% off of your order. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at GrooveMama. Like this video, subscribe. Seriously, like it if you love Maniology. That's what I'm talking about. And until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!